This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eric Levy. Welcome to your dream home. This exquisite property features recent high-end upgrades that will leave you in awe. The open concept kitchen with brand new appliances is perfect for cooking up a storm while entertaining guests in the expansive living room with lush garden views. The generously sized bedrooms offer ample space to relax, and the upgraded bathrooms are a true highlight. Located in highly desirable East Boca Raton, this home is close to Mizner Park, downtown areas, beaches, and the I-95, making it the perfect location for a cosmopolitan lifestyle. This home offers exceptional rental value. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this beautiful house your new home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Levy at 561-654-6199.